Welcome to a life-changing journey towards financial independence. Today, we'll show you how to take control of your finances and secure a future filled with limitless possibilities. Financial independence isn't just for the wealthy. It's for anyone who wants to break free from money's constraints. And it all starts with understanding your finances. Crafting a budget is your first step. A budget helps you track your income and expenses, revealing opportunities to save and invest. It's the foundation of your financial journey, so make sure to get it done before taking any of the following steps. Now, let's talk about investments. Explore the exciting world of stocks. They're not just for Wall Street. Talk with your broker or bank and set up a plan beneficial for you. Dive into the possibilities of real estate investments. It's a stable and profitable path towards financial independence. Keep in mind the starting capital and invest away. Secure your future by investing in retirement accounts. It's safe, it's stable, and it lets the world know you're in it for the long run. But wait, there's more. Boost your income with side hustles that align with your skills and passions. Making the most of what you were born with. Seeking advice from financial experts can accelerate your journey and is always a good idea before any major investment. Remember, setting tangible goals is essential. Stay disciplined, make mindful choices, and don't forget to celebrate your milestones along the way. Your future self will thank you for taking these steps towards financial independence. So, are you ready to take control of your destiny? Start today, and the possibilities are endless. Remember, financial independence is within your reach, no matter your current situation. Subscribe now, and join us on this incredible journey towards financial freedom. Hit that thumbs up button, and share this video with your friends and family. Let's empower everyone to achieve financial independence. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.